In this video, we're looking at 13 things that frugal people simply never buy. These are the sneaky little money wasters that can really add up over time. We're talking everyday items that you might not even think twice about, but trust me, by avoiding these you'll be well on your way to keeping more cash in your pocket. So, let's get right into it. The first item on the list is disposable items. You know, those single-use products that seem convenient but end up costing you a fortune in the long run. We're talking paper plates, plastic utensils, paper towels, the list goes on. You use them once and then toss them straight in the trash. Not only is that wasteful, but it's also a huge drain on your wallet. Instead of constantly replenishing your supply of disposables, opt for reusable alternatives. Invest in a set of durable plates, silverware, and cloth napkins. Trust me, your bank account and the planet will benefit in the long run. Second on the list is new cars. I know that new car smell is intoxicating, but don't let it fool you. New cars are notorious for depreciating in value the second you drive them off the lot. We're talking about thousands of dollars lost just like that. Instead of falling into the trap of buying brand new, consider buying a reliable used car. You can often find a great deal on a car that's only a couple of years old and still in excellent condition. Another option is to hold on to your current car for as long as possible. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your vehicle and saving you a ton of money in the long run. Third on the list is extended warranties. They sound great in theory, but here's the thing. Most of the time they're not worth the paper they're printed on. Most products are unlikely to break down within the extended warranty period, and even if they do, the cost of repair is often less than the price of the warranty itself. Plus, you can often find DIY repair tutorials online that can save you even more money. So next time you're tempted by an extended warranty, remember that your money is better spent elsewhere. Fourth on the list are branded items. We all have our favorite brands, but when it comes to saving money, it's time to ditch the brand loyalty and embrace the power of generic options. You're paying a premium for that fancy logo, but are you really getting a superior product? In most cases, the answer is no. Generic or store brand products often contain the same ingredients and offer the same quality as their brand name counterparts, but at a fraction of the cost. So, next time you're shopping for groceries, toiletries, or household items, don't be afraid to venture into the generic aisle. Fifth is prepackaged foods. Those prepackaged snacks and pre-cut fruits and veggies might seem convenient, but let me tell you, convenience comes at a price. You're essentially paying a premium for someone else to do the work for you. Instead of shelling out extra cash for these pre-portioned treats, take a little extra time to prepare your own snacks and meals at home. Buy in bulk and portion out your own snacks. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have more control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Sixth on the list are trendy items. You know those must-have home decor, clothes, or accessories that everyone's raving about? The ones that seem like a good idea at the time, but then end up collecting dust in the back of your closet? Yeah, those are dangerous for your wallet. Trends come and go, and by the time you've jumped on the bandwagon, chances are the next big thing is already on its way. Instead of wasting your hard-earned money on fleeting fads, focus on building a wardrobe and a home filled with timeless pieces that you'll love and use for years to come. Seventh is bottled water. It's convenient, yes, but it's also incredibly wasteful and expensive. You're essentially paying for something that you can get for free. Instead of contributing to the plastic problem and draining your bank account, invest in a good quality water filter and a reusable water bottle. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save. Plus, you'll be doing your part to reduce plastic waste. Eighth is gym memberships. I know staying fit is important, but it shouldn't come with a hefty price tag. Instead of shelling out for a pricey gym membership, explore more affordable alternatives. There are tons of free workout videos available online, or you can simply head outside for a run or a bike ride. You can also get creative with your workouts at home. Use household items as weights or try bodyweight exercises. The point is, you don't need a fancy gym to get in shape. Ninth on the list is cable TV. Cable TV, with its endless channels and commercials, can be a major drain on your budget. But fear not, there are plenty of ways to cut the cord without sacrificing your entertainment. Streaming services offer a wide variety of shows and movies at a fraction of the cost of cable. You can also check out free streaming services or even dust off your antenna and enjoy some good old-fashioned free-to-air channels. The point is, you have options, so don't be afraid to explore them and find what works best for you. 10th on the list is coffee shop purchases. That daily coffee shop run might seem like a harmless indulgence, but those lattes and cappuccinos can really add up over time. Instead of lining the pockets of your local coffee chain, invest in a good quality coffee maker and start brewing your own delicious coffee at home. You can even experiment with different flavors and syrups to create your own signature drinks. 11th on the list is fast fashion. Fast fashion might be tempting with its trendy designs and low prices, but they often fall apart after just a few washes, leaving you with a closet full of clothes you can't wear. Instead of falling into the fast fashion trap, invest in high-quality, timeless pieces that will last you for years to come. Look for classic designs, durable fabrics, and well-made garments. It's better to have a few key pieces that you love and wear all the time than a closet full of clothes you only wear once. The 12th on the list is lottery tickets. Lottery tickets are nothing more than a tax on hope. The odds of winning the lottery are astronomically low, and yet, people continue to spend their hard-earned money on them week after week. Instead of throwing your money away on lottery tickets, invest that money in yourself. The only surefire way to build wealth is through making smart financial decisions, not by relying on luck. 13th on the list are unnecessary electronics. In today's tech-obsessed world, it's easy to get caught up in the hype of the latest and greatest. But before you click that Buy Now button, ask yourself, do I really need this? Often we buy electronics on a whim, only to use them a handful of times before they end up gathering dust in a drawer. Before you buy any, consider its practicality and whether it truly adds value to your life. If it's something you'll use regularly and that will make your life easier or more enjoyable, then go for it. But if it's just a novelty item that will likely end up forgotten, save your money for something more worthwhile. So there you have it, 13 things frugal people never buy. By avoiding these unnecessary expenses, you'll free up more cash to invest in your future, pursue your passions, and live a richer, more fulfilling life. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more frugal living advice. Now let's build a richer life one dime at a time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.